food theory assignment, preserves, fermentation, and pickles. For today's assignment, I'm going to be making strawberry jam. The reason I'm making strawberry jam and not a pickle or preserving anything is because we've been using jam in my house since I was a kid. We've been having, well, for me, I've been having toast with butter and jam and tea since I was a kid in Africa. So for this reason, I will be making strawberry jam with a hint of spice. The first thing you need to do is cut your strawberry jam into slivers, and you just want to cut them thinly so you can still preserve the texture of the strawberry. And if we're doing a sensory evaluation right now on the raw product, you can see that it is quite firm. When you smell it, it has a nice floral scent, and when you taste it, it is quite sweet. Well, very sweet. So what you want to do now is place all the cut strawberries in a bowl, which I already have done. You also need half a lime. Some people use a lemon, but I like the flavor of a lime. I have a sachet of a spice bag, which consists of 10 peppercorns, 1 half stick of cinnamon, and 1 clove. And you need 2.5 cups of sugar, and you also need some macerated strawberries. You need this because it helps create the sauce. So what you want to do is save half the strawberries and then macerate them in a bowl and then transfer them into a pot. Alright, so for the cooking process, here I have a tall metal pot and already have some strawberries in there with the sugar. I'm going to add the rest of my sugar. I'm going to add some of the juice of lime. I'm going to add my spice bag. And I'm also going to add the slivered strawberries which we had cut, so the jam also has some texture. Okay. So all you just want to do is let this cook until the sugar has dissolved and it comes to a slight boil. You don't want it to come to a boil, but just to a slight boil. So this should take around another 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, you want to wash your ramekins where you'll be putting your strawberry jam in. And also you want to create a bain-marie or not a bain-marie, but you just want to have a pot with some water heated in it so you can place the containers inside, and then that will help disinfect and help preserve the jam for future use. So the strawberry jam has come to a full boil. I have turned off the heat, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of some Hawaiian pink salt. So now I'm going to transfer it into a measuring cup so it's easy to pour into the ramekins. Okay, and so what you want to do is just pour it, but don't pour it all the way to the top. You just want to leave some air. And again, with the boiling it in the hot water, what it does is remove any bacteria. It sterilizes the jars. So your jam can last for a little while longer. Okay. Just want to close the jars. It's very tricky. Alright, so as you can see, here it is, and we just want to place it in the hot water bath.